morning student. Today we are going to learn the topic that is steady state error, which is a comes from the time response analysis, that is unit number 3. Okay, so let us see what is a steady state error. The difference between the actual error and desired actual output and desired output, which is a steady state error. Okay, so the standard formula for steady state error is ESS, which is equal to limit S tends to 0 in the bracket S upon 1 plus GH, that is characteristic equation, into R of S, that is input. Okay, so when we have to find out the steady state error, we need characteristic equation 1 plus GH and input, that is R of S. Okay, so there are three types of input: step input, ramp input and parabolic input. Respective inputs having a R of S standard value. So let us see the question that is asked in the university question paper is develop the relationship between the ESS, that is develop the relationship between steady state error for three input, that is step input, ramp input and parabolic input. So we have to find out the relation between the ESS and all these three inputs. So let us continue with, we know that the ESS, that is limit S tends to 0 S upon 1 plus GH into R of S. We consider this as the equation number 1. So for a step input, as we know that in the previous lecture I discussed with you, for the step input R of S is 1 by S, because R of T is 1, and for Laplace of 1 is R of 1 by S. So R of S for the step input is 1 by S. Put this R of S value in the equation number 1. When we put this, that is ESS limit S tends to 0 S upon 1 plus GH into R of S is 1 by S. So here this S and this S will be deleted. Okay, so the remaining value is limit S tends to 0 1 upon 1 plus GH. So put the limit here instead of S, put 0. So limit S tends to 0, limit of this one is 0, limit of this one is 0. So only left term is ESS 1 upon 1 plus limit S tends to 0 into GH. So this limit S tends to 0 into GH is nothing but a standard constant coefficient, that is Kp, which is called as a position error coefficient. So this formula will be ESS, which is equal to 1 upon this limit is 0. So 1 upon 1 plus Kp, that is the relationship between the ESS and the position error coefficient. Okay. The next is for ramp input. As we know that for ramp input, R of S is 1 upon S square. Put this value in the equation number 1. When we put this, we get ESS, which is limit S tends to 0, S upon 1 plus GH into 1 upon S square. So here also S and S value is deleted. So the remaining things are limit S tends to 0. Continue. So for ramp input, R of S is 1 upon S square. Put this value in the equation number 1. ESS is limit S tends to 0 and this S upon 1 plus GH into R of S is 1 upon S square. So delete this S and S. So here remaining terms are after that putting the S is equal to 0 limit. So this is 1 upon limit of this is 0 plus limit S tends to 0 S into GH. Here S is remaining terms, S into GH. So this limit S tends to 0 S into GH is nothing but the Kv, which is called as a velocity error coefficient. So your relationship between the steady state error and the velocity coefficient is like that. Okay. Then the third input is parabolic input. Okay. For parabolic input, R of S is 1 upon S cube. Put this value in the equation number 1. So we get ESS is limit S tends to 0, S upon 1 plus GH into R of S is 1 upon S cube. So here again S and S is cancelled. So the remaining terms are limit S tends to 0, 1 upon 1 plus S square into GH. Here S square is remaining. So put the limit S is equal to 0 here. So we get only 1 upon 1 plus limit S square into GH. So limit S square into GH is nothing but the acceleration coefficient. Limit S tends to 0, S square into GH is acceleration coefficient. So finally we get the ESS, which is equal to 1 upon K. So relationship between the steady state error and the error coefficients are Kp, that is position error coefficient, Ka acceleration error coefficient and Kv velocity error coefficient. So in this way we get three formulas for calculating the constant error coefficient, that is the Kp, which is 1 upon 1 plus limit S tends to 0 into Gh, and for the Kv, which is limit S tends to 0 S into Gh, and for Ka, which is limit s tends to 0, s square into gs. So in this way, this relationship is correlated with ESS and error